Hello and welcome to episode 9. I'm Dr. D. You can learn English with me. Episode number 9. All right, more questions. Questions. Okay, in episode 8, we had only questions with did. What did you buy? I bought new shoes. Where did you go? I went to blah, blah, blah. Okay, now we will mix that. We will have present and past. And listen carefully to my answers. I ask my question and you try to answer it. You remember, you have to use do, does for the present, and did for the past. Okay? So, for example, when I say I get up at 6 o'clock or at 7 o'clock every morning, you cannot ask when did you get up. I said I get up. So you say when do you get up? Do. And for Henry, Henry gets, can you hear the S? Henry gets up at 8 o'clock. When does he get up? You can read it here. When do you get up? When does Henry get up? And you need the S for Henry. He and she and it needs the S. Are you ready? Okay, this is hard. Listen to the tense. Present, do, does, or past, did. Okay. When do you get up in the morning? Now you say, I get up at 7 o'clock. Do you drink coffee or tea? I drink tea. And your wife, your brother, your sister, what does she drink for breakfast? What does your wife drink for breakfast? She always drinks coffee. She always drinks coffee. The always goes here in she always drinks, or usually, normally. Okay? Where do you work? I work in Bahrain. I work in Tehran. I work in Ankara. The question is, where do you work? Not did. Okay?